Confusion surrounding the recent loss of actor and father Philip Seymour Hoffman is further muddled as details unfold regarding his estate plan. It's been confirmed that poor planning on Hoffman's part may have cost his family millions in taxes. With us tonight to discuss is estate planning attorney Wendy Witt. Wendy, did Mr. Hoffman have a good estate plan?
If Mr. Hoffman's estate plan did what he thought it was going to do, it was a good plan, but I'm guessing that it didn't, and he got really lucky.
Well, what could have happened?
Tim, he could have accidentally disinherited his two youngest children. Fortunately, their mother has the opportunity to fix that. However, he did create a huge estate tax to the tune of $15 million, which totally could have been avoided.
What went wrong with his plan?
Well, first of all, he didn't work with an estate planning attorney. He used a real estate attorney, and not all attorneys are the same. Secondly, he hadn't updated his will as life unfolded. Things changed in his life, his family, and finances.
Great insight, Wendy. We'll have more on Hoffman's estate when we come back. With us to comment is attorney Wendy Witt. Wendy, what prolonged this case? Why was Terry Schiavo hooked up to life support for so long?
Totally preventable tragedy, which did indeed headline for 15 years, and even got the government and protesters involved in a very private matter. Terry Schiavo didn't have a living will, and if she had just put her wishes in writing, the drawn-out pain for her husband, and parents, it could have totally been avoided with a simple stroke of a pen.
Wendy, what exactly is a living will?
A living will states that while you want to be kept as comfortable as possible, you don't want medical heroics such as being hooked up to life support machines if you're in a permanent vegetative state or coma or the like.
Thanks, Wendy. Details continue to unfold on this decade-long case. More when we come back. Here to comment is attorney Wendy Witt. Wendy, why would an 18-year-old need an estate plan?
Once your baby attains the age of 18, you no longer have the legal authority to make decisions on her behalf. And this means you can't access her bank accounts or make healthcare decisions for her. This lack of authority may result in a minor inconvenience, or it may cause heartbreak.
Can you give us an example, please?
Absolutely. The Virginia Tech shootings, which unfortunately now have become commonplace, are a great example. When the news of the shootings broke, panicked parents called local hospitals, and what happened? They couldn't find out whether their child was dead or alive, mortally wounded, or just had a scratch.